Good morning, students. Today I will discuss few important sums. Okay, from similarity, quality equation, ratio proportion, etc. Okay, very important sums I am solving today. Similarity already we have completed. No similarity. Yes. Now few important sums from similarity I will discuss now. Okay. All are practicing at home. Yes. Okay. I am giving one sum. So, if suppose a square equal to b plus c, b square equal to c plus a, c square equal to a plus b, then what is the value of 1 by 1 plus a plus 1 by 1 plus b 1 by 1 plus c? How to solve? This type of some very important sums are there. Okay, see from this is some from ratio proportion. Okay, see a square b plus c is given, both sides this part, both are multiplied by a, both sides multiplied by a, so a by a plus a square, b by b plus b square, c by c plus c square. Okay, now a by a plus a square you can write b plus c, so b plus c, b by b plus c plus a plus c by c plus a plus b. Okay, so this part will be a plus b plus c by a plus b plus c, both cancel, this will be 1. Okay, this will be one answer. Okay, now I'll show another sum. Okay, see similarity, look at here, number 2. A, B, C, and given D parallel to this one, D, E parallel to BC, given AD is to BD, AD is to BD, this is suppose 3:5, 3:5 is given. Okay, now you join here and here, suppose this intersect at the point O, then find the ratio AE is to AC, number 1. Number 2, BE is to BC. Number 3, OD is to OC. Number 4, area of the triangle ODE or DOE, any right, no problem, is to BOC, DOE to BOC. Okay, number 5, DOE is to COE. Okay, find out one by one discuss. From similarity basic theory, basic proportional theory, all of you know, if a line parallel with the third side, any side, they always ratio are same. See, AD and BD ratio is given 3:5. So you can write here AE is to EC, also 3:5 EC. Then AE is to EC 3:5. Then you can write A is to AC 3:8. No, 3:8. Okay, 3 plus 8, 5, 8. So AE is to AC, that is 3:8. Okay, 3:8. And D is to BC. So here, since the triangle ADE and ABC, ADE and ABC, both are similar triangle. All of you know, look at here, this angle equal to this one, the parallel is given, corresponding angle. So this angle also equal to this angle. corresponding angle, and this is angle common angle now. So sides are proportional. Okay. So similar triangles are there. Angle, similarity. So we can say two triangles are similar. If similar, then we can say the sides are proportional. So AD is to AB. See, A is to AC. D is to BC. All are same. So this also 3 is to 8. Okay. 3 is to 8. Again OD is to OC. See, OD and this part. So this is also, if we consider these two triangles, that is DOE and BOC, DOE and BOC. So this angle alternate angle of this part, and this angle alternate angle this one, and these two are vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angle, then triangular similar triangles are there. Sides are proportional. So we can write here DE by BC. Okay. So basic proportional theory, DE by BC equal to OE by OB and OD by OC. Both are same. Okay. So you can write here DE by BC equal to OD by OC equal to OE by OB. Now we know DE by BC 3 is to 8. So this is also 3 is to 8. Okay, ratio. So this also OD is to OC. We can write 3 is to 8. Now ODE and BOC, since two triangles are similar, so area of the triangle, also ratio of the area, always square of the sides. Okay. So we can write OD is to BC, BOC equal to D square by BC square. We can write, so will be D square is to BC square. So all of you know D BC square 3 is to 8. So it will be 9 is to 64. Okay, 9 is to 64. Now last one, DOE is to COE. DOE COE. See, these two triangles, if we consider these two triangles are not similar, but then how to find the ratio of area? So these two triangles here, this is the common vertex and their bases same straight line. No, the point this and this collinear. So if two triangles having common vertex and their base are same straight line, then area of these two, their ratio always equal to ratio of their bases. So it will be OD is to OC. So DOE, COE you can write here OD is to OC. See, OD is to OC, you know 3 is to 8. So 3 is to 8. If suppose this triangle and this one, whole triangle if you consider, suppose number 6 I am writing DOE is to DCE, then it will be 3 is to 11. This is 3, this is 8. Okay, so whole will be 11. So it will be 11. The 3 is to 11. Okay. Now understood? Okay. See? Okay. Next one. Next one. This is in triangle ABC, right? 3 is there. ABC, 8 is the bisector on BAC. These two angles are equal. Bisector AD. Given AB is given 10 centimeter. AC given 6 centimeter. BC given 12 centimeter. Whole part is given. Okay. Find BD and DC. Suppose this is whole is 12 centimeters is given. Whole 12 centimeters is given. Suppose this is X. So this part you can write 12 minus X. Okay. 12 minus X. Now, so since this is the bisector, okay, so you can write here, if bisector is there, then AB by AC is to AC equal to BD is to DC. Remember, so these two ratio always equal to these two side ratio. So this is the bisector is there, okay. Now, the value of AB 10 centimeter is given, AC 6 centimeter, BD X, this is 12 minus X. Now here multiply 120 minus 10x equal to 6x. Okay. So here 120 equal to 16x, 120 by 16. So 7.5 centimeter. X. So this is 7.5. So 12.7.5. Okay. So it will be X here 7.5. This will be 4.5 centimeter. This. So you have to remember the theory is there. This is to this equal to BD is to DC. The base ratio. If this is the bisector. Okay. Next one. See, suppose x minus 3 by x plus 3 minus x plus 3 by x minus 3 plus 6 by 7 equal to 0. Okay. How to solve? See. So this part you can write now. Suppose you consider this is a. So this part will be minus 1 by a, or direct you can, no problem, direct. See, so LCM you can write x plus 3 into x minus 3. So x plus 3, so x minus 3 whole square minus x plus 3 whole square here equal to here 48 by 7 minus 48 by 7. So this part will be right. X a minus b whole square, x minus b square, a plus b minus b, no, already x square cancel here. So minus 6x here also minus 6x by x square minus 9 equal to minus 48 by 7 minus 12x by x square minus 9 equal to minus 48 by 7. Cancel 4. So write 4x square minus 36 equal to 7. So 4x square equal to 43, 48, 6x, here also 6x, 12x, okay, 7. So 4x square equal to 9 is then 36, 4x square, x minus 3 whole square minus x plus 3 whole square, x square minus 6x plus 9, here minus x square minus 6x minus 9 plus 1 cancel is here. So minus 6x minus 6x minus 12x by here x square minus 9 okay. So here, oh sorry, 7x, right, sorry, here 7x, no, 7x, okay. Now 4x square minus 7x minus 36 equal to 0, you can write now. 4x square minus 7x minus 36 equal to 0. Okay. So here the factorize do. So here 4x square minus 7x minus 36 0, so right, 4x square minus 16x plus 9x, you can write 7x. So 4x is 4x common, x minus 4 plus 9 common, x minus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 4, 4x plus 9 equal to 0. So x equal to 4 or x equal to minus 9 by 4. Copy paste. Okay. Next one. suppose axy plus by by a bx minus ay by b. Okay, x plus by by a equal to bx minus ay by b. Now prove that each ratio equal to x. Just you have to know, cross multiply. See, abx plus b square y equal to abx minus a square y. So you will cancel both sides. Take that b square plus a square of y equal to 0. Then y equal to 0 by a square plus b square. So it will be 0. So first part, this part find out first. First part, ax plus by by a x plus b into 0 by a. So ax by a equal to x. Is ratio. Similar second one. So second one, bx minus ay by b. So we can write bx. This is 0 by b. So x is there. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next one. Again, suppose this is right angle triangle. So this is 40 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. AB B 90 degree given, BC 40 centimeter, AB 9 centimeter. Okay, and BD is given. This is perpendicular. Okay, BD, this is perpendicular. A BC. Find the value of BD. So all of you know. These two triangles similar, and all of you know. So BD square you can write AD into DC. Yes. So first find out AC. So you can write AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square 9 square. This is 40 square. So 81 plus 1600. Okay. 1681. So AC square. So AC equal to 41. Equal to, suppose this is x. So this part we can write here. 41 minus x. Okay. Now since whole triangle ABC, and if you consider this is ABD, both are similar triangle is there. This is 90, this also 90 degree. This is the common angle is there, remaining also equal. Okay. So you can write here AB square equal to AD square into AD into AC. No, all of you know AB square equal to AD into AC. So AB we know 9, that is 81 equal to ADX, AC 41. So x equal to 81 by 41. Okay. Now CD equal to 41 minus 81 by 41. So it will be 41 square. So it will be 41 into 41, 1 4 16. Sorry, 1681. So 1681 minus 81 by 41. So 1600 by 41. Okay. Now write so BD square equal to AD into DC. So AD equal to here 81 by 41 into here 1600 by 41 CD. Now, so BD square. So BD you can write here 81 into by 41 into 41 square root. So 9 into 40 by 41. So we have 360 by 41 centimeter, and you have to divide. Okay. After this you write BD equal to 360 by 41. That is mixed fraction. Okay. You convert in mixed fraction, you get the result. Okay. Very important sums there. Okay. All you copy? Okay. Now similarly, whatever I will give, I will send some study material all to practice. Okay, all of you practice. And every year from similarity you will get the question. Okay. Just not harder problem not come. Just simple problem. Okay. Just you have to practice. Just rule and okay. Theory you have to remember. Then you will get the numbers. Okay. Bye.